The gangster approached the NASA with an idea to build a casino on the moon. The idea behind this was to generate an alternate source of income. NASA's job would be to provide a way to travel from Earth to the moon. Hence, NASA agreed to partner with the gangster in the deal. The teams partnered to make the impossible possible. Inside NASA, the easiest way was to send a rocket from Earth to Moon, but it was very expensive to send a rocket each time. Instead, building a vacuum duct may not only be a one time investment, but something that would be very affordable in the long run. The planning of the vacuum duct. The duct is nothing but the means to transfer people, materials, and objects from Earth to the Moon. A specially trained team of scientists, robots, and astronauts was appointed for the operations, and it would take them at least 5 years to build it. An estimate of 500 to 600 space shuttles would be required during the construction stage. The duct would be radial in shape with a radius of 80 kilometers. It would be made of a high grade quality space suit material. It would be space proof, tear proof, and scratch proof, not to forget asteroid proof too. Planning of the casino. The builder, on the other hand, was busy planning to create a world class team of architects, interior designers, and civil engineers. These visionary creatives would get together to create something close to the next big Bellagio. The team started narrowing down upon styles and shortlisting the best lights, furniture, tapestry, etc. A checklist of basic materials was made, which included cement, cement mixers, girders, glass panels, bricks, and a tremendous amount of automated machinery and manpower to accelerate the process of building of casino. A total of 5,000 slot machines and 8,000 poker tables were to be accommodated in hundreds of hectares of land. An approximate time of 7 years would be required to make the casino on Earth in 3 phases, and it would be sent to the moon via the duct phase by phase. Assembly of the casino on the moon. But the big question was how to build on moon with no gravity. It was decided to transfer all the gravity from the earth to the moon through the duct, thereby creating the exact same condition on the moon. In this way, the execution team would be the first to send to the moon, followed by the casino in phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Both the teams congratulate each other on the success of the project and decide to call the casino on the moon the Chicky Chicky Bang Bang. Thank you.